Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia merilis perkembangan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina 4 Agustus 2022. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov merilis serangan rudal presisi tinggi pasukan dirgantara Rusia tepat mengenai posisi Brigade Mekanik ke-92 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di dekat Kharkov. Hingga 130 prajurit dan 13 kendaraan lapis baja dihancurkan, kata Letjen Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan tentara, pasukan rudal dan serangan artileri Rusia dan sekutu terus berlanjut terhadap fasilitas militer di Ukraina. Dua pos komando termasuk Brigade Serangan Lintas Udara ke-95 dekat Konstantinovka di Republik Rakyat Donetsk dan formasi nasionalis di dekat Ternovatoye di wilayah Zaporozhye, serta 194 area konsentrasi personel dan peralatan militer Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina diserang. Secara total 261 pesawat Ukraina dan 145 helikopter, 1.673 kendaraan udara tak berawak dieliminir sejak operasi militer khusus. Juga 361 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 4.244 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 786 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.251 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.696 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Letjen Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Dari kubu Kiev, Kemenhan Ukraina merilis 150 prajurit Rusia dieliminir dalam sehari. Total 41.530 tentara Federasi Rusia tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-162. Ukraina kian percaya diri mengusir Rusia dari wilayahnya setelah mendapat bantuan amunisi dari negara-negara barat, termasuk Amerika Serikat, Inggris, Polandia, hingga Jerman.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine as a result of high-precision strikes of the Russian aerospace forces on positions of the 92nd Mechanized Brigade near Kharkov. Up to 130 servicemen and 13 armored vehicles have been destroyed. Temporary deployment point of units of the 95th Airborne Assault Brigade near Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic has been hit. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of up to 400 nationalists and 20 units of military equipment of Ukrainian armed forces. As a result of active offensive by Russian troops and DPR and LPR People's Militias near Soledar, Artyomovsk and Avdiivka in Donetsk People's Republic, units of the 54th Mechanized, 56th and 58th Mechanized Infantry Brigades of Ukrainian armed forces, having lost their combat efficiency due to heavy losses, abandoned their positions. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. Two command posts, including those of the 95th Airborne Assault Brigade near Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic and nationalist formations near Ternovatoye in Zaporozhye region, as well as 194 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration have been hit. Two missile and artillery ammunition depots near Novoivanovka in Zaporozhye region and one fuel storage facility for Ukrainian military equipment near Zaporozhye 2 railway station have been destroyed. As part of counter-battery warfare, 3 platoons of Grad MLRS, 4 platoons of Gvozdika guns, and 3 platoons of D-30 howitzers at firing positions near Lastachkino, Petrovskoye, and Avdiivka of Donetsk People's Republic have been suppressed. Russian air defense means have shot down 4 unmanned terror vehicles near Andreevka, Druzhnoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and Izum and Dmitrovka in Kharkov region. In addition, 5 shells of multiple launch rocket systems have been intercepted near Druzhnoye in Donetsk People's Republic and Solnichnoye and Muzukovka in Kherson region. In total, 261 Ukrainian airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,673 unmanned aerial vehicles, 361 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,244 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 786 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,251 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,696 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.